Okay, this is a preview of how Freeform works. If you start by selecting points, double clicking, and you see after you select your second point, it draws a yellow construction line, and you can keep going and selecting points until you close the loop, like the first point, and then it'll create the solid, and you can see it has surface normals properly applied for lighting. Alright, and you can create any shape. Just select a bunch of points, a point cloud, and create whatever shape you want. Um, Also triangles, so of any shape. So, and if I turn off this, so you can see how it creates the surfaces, that's how it's generating the surfaces. Now what I was talking about before with it going over the normals, let me turn that on. Okay, if we create this shape and we don't have the right start point selected, it's either this point or this point. Every other point causes the surfaces not to be created right. Like if we select this point, it uses the point after and the point before to create it. So it's gonna try and create points across, like from here. It's gonna stretch the surface across. I'll show you. It's probably better to just see it. So if I start in here and do a similar shape, you can see if I turn lighting on, you can see the sides are fine, but it because this was a start point, it used this and this point before and after it to stretch that surface across. And same thing on the opposite side. And for both top and bottom, as you can see. So the fix would have to be that you'd have to cycle through until you get a point, in this case it would be this point, where they'd all properly create without crossing over the plane of these side surfaces, which would be the surface normal. They'd have to be on the back side of those planes in order to be correct.